What's up? I'm making quick video and update about my Infiniti. This video about problem with catalytic converters and check engine code PO430 PO420. At the end of the video I'm gonna give you a quick update about my original video regarding RPM problem, RPM search, and transmission switching problem. And for now I give you idea what happened with my car. So I'm fighting with this code more than 1 year. First I got this code and I try to use CataClean and it helps, it works okay, clean the system, car runs good. But then I start getting this code more often and often. I use like about more than 10 bottles of this CataClean and I still getting some codes. Sometimes I can run 200 miles, sometimes 600 miles, sometimes I can go even 1000 miles. But recently it's coming back more often. Long story short, I decided to change upstream oxygen sensor before catalytic converters. Hope you can see, this is the sensor. I ordered it on eBay, $160. Original Nissan at the dealer shop, like about $250. So this is my old upstream oxygen sensor. Looks like this. When I changed this, I didn't feel like any changes was driving, but this code came back again. So I used CataClean a few times, didn't help. So like I was upset and really start shopping for catalytic converters. The cheapest I got from mechanic to replace one side. I had bank 2 on right side, one side together with the labor and aftermarket part would be about 1,000 for one side, and it's still good price. At some point I decided not to change catalytic converters and I got another oxygen sensor downstream after catalytic converter. So also got on eBay Bosch, $160 or $150. This is my downstream. You can see the difference. Okay, this is upstream, this is downstream. When you order, you have to also pay attention for connectors, because up to 2014 I believe, or 13, they have this big connectors. After 13 and newer version, they have a small one. I ordered once and it didn't fit. Even if my car is still 2014, I believe this connector goes like for 2013 and under. So as soon as I replace it, I notice a big difference. My car running much better. So I show you. Look, I have 178,000 miles. This almost 1,600 I had last engine code. And I believe it's fine because I feel that car runs much better. So what would be the symptom of this? That like the car doesn't have enough torque. When you press the gas, it's not pushing well, and it's when you run even downhill, it feels like you still have to press a little bit gas to go even downhill. I did very often this transmission reset it calls transmission adaptation reset. So when you have to press this button twice and then hold the gas pedal for 5 seconds and then release the button and release the pedal. So after that it runs a little bit better. But now when I change downstream sensor, it runs perfect. As soon as I touch the gas and have some torque and it's pushing well, and I don't have any complaint. I don't even have to press a gas, it's running by itself. Yeah. Okay, this is the quote I had. Now this car runs amazing. I still don't like something about this car. I don't like how suspension work. Maybe it's only because it's time to replace it. It's already almost 200,000 miles, but everything else worked good. Okay, regarding this RPM problems, I don't have it. It's solved. I don't know what exactly happened to this car, but I definitely didn't touch transmission. I didn't touch torque converter. What I did, just replace valve body, but it's not necessary. I replaced transmission oil twice, and maybe that helped. If you still have this RPM problem, you have to replace your fluids anyway. Do it once, and then after 1,000 miles, replace another time, and give it another 3,000 miles, because maybe this oil should go inside the torque converter. I'm not sure how it works. Also could be everything else that I mentioned it in my first video. Also, I just replaced the oil, engine oil. I put this extended mileage. Also guys, you have to change oil more often on this car. When I bought this car, the oil was black, and I had to replace it after 2,000 miles because it was really black. And then with the time, after I replaced maybe 6 times, it's getting better. So now I'm buying oil by myself, good one, mobile one, synthetic, and I'm buying filters by myself. I don't trust mechanics anymore, so I just want to make sure they put my stuff. And this car is running better and better every day. Amazing. So I think it's all about maintenance. Possibly, if your engine oil is dirty, it can clog VVT valve solenoid or something like that. If it's clogged, it could give you some problem too. So you have to make sure your oil clean. This car is good, but it's pretty sensitive to everything. I'm running only premium gas, changing oil every 4,000 miles, and then you just have to take care of it, and it will pay you back. Good luck.